Think cleaning your business is just about empty bins and shiny floors? In 2025, it's so much more. And knowing the latest trends can give your London business an edge. From smarter cleaning systems to genuine eco-friendly practices, these changes are reshaping how offices, shops, cafes, and shared spaces stay spotless. Welcome to the FastKlean channel, your source for professional cleaning tips and industry insights. Today, we're breaking down the 5 biggest commercial cleaning trends in 2025 and why they matter for your business. Before we continue, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with other business owners who want to stay ahead. First, smarter cleaning guided by data. With hybrid work schedules, sensors now track high-traffic areas so cleaning matches real use, saving time and money. Second, eco-cleaning that's more than a label. Biodegradable products, refillable bottles, and reduced plastic are now expected, not optional. Third, antimicrobial coatings are adding extra hygiene protection to high-touch surfaces, giving staff and visitors peace of mind. Fourth, there's a growing focus on cleaners' well-being. Fair pay, breaks, and better training mean a happier, more reliable team. Finally, flexible cleaning plans let you adjust services based on your schedule, avoiding waste and keeping spaces fresh when it matters most. In 2025, great cleaning isn't just about appearance. It's about health, sustainability, and adaptability. Ask your provider the right questions and choose a service that truly supports your people, your clients, and your budget. If you found this useful, like, share, and subscribe to FastKlean for more expert tips to keep your business ahead in the cleaning game.